Learning outcomes, sources and characteristics. What is learning outcomes? Learning outcomes describe what students should know, do, or demonstrate after a lesson, course, or program. Levels of learning outcomes: graduate outcomes, institutional outcomes, program outcomes, course outcomes. First, schools base their learning goals on their vision and mission statements. Second, government education. Agencies such as DEP-ED, TESTA, and CHED provide learning standards. Third, to bridge this gap between academic and industry, expected competencies identified by different professions, business, and industry. Fourth is for schools to be relevant, they should consider the thrusts and development goals of national government. CHED Memorandum Order No. 75, Series of 2017 and the Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers, PPST, connect to good learning outcomes by providing the framework and standards that guide teacher education and professional development. Now, let's move on to the characteristic of good learning outcome. 1. Good learning outcomes are centered on the student/learner. 2. Good learning outcomes are based on and aligned with the institutional, program and course outcomes. 3. Good learning outcomes are based on and aligned with local, national, and international trends and issues. 4. Good learning outcomes are known and very well understood by both students and faculty. 5. Good learning outcomes include a spectrum of thinking skills from simple remembering to creating, or from the lowest and simple cognitive, unistructural process to cognitive in Bloom's and Anderson's revised taxonomy. Evaluation, synthesis, analysis, application, understanding, knowledge. Anderson's taxonomy: create, evaluate, analyze, apply, understand, remember. Diane Wiggins, 2018, 4 Key Steps of Educational Goals, UBD 1. Knowledge. 2 Basic skills. 3 Long-term understanding. 4 Long-term transfer. Fink's taxonomy for significant learning. 1 Caring. 2 Learning how to learn. 3 Integration. 4 Human dimension. 5 Application. 6 Foundational knowledge. Solow taxonomy is the structure of observed learning outcome is a means of classifying learning outcomes in terms of the complexity. 6 Good learning outcomes are SMART. 7 Good learning outcomes are useful and relevant to the learners.
Created using Powtoon.